Power consumption has increased in a drastic manner through the year, as information technology has become a household name. As graph shows, we need to curb the use and adopt green computing methods. To consume less power, we need control the use of devices.
It's no secret that data centers, the massive but bland, unremarkable-looking buildings housing the powerful engines that pump blood through the arteries of global economy, consume a huge amount of energy.
Some methods are that is, we should use computer judiciously. We should also adopt green design to consume less power. Rather than throwing devices, we should try to upgrade or refurbish. Even the manufacturing process can be made green at inventory. Pressure on data center can be relieved by using new software technology like virtualization.
Hi, I'm Elodie Pomeroy at Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. Today we're going to talk about virtualization. Server virtualization conserves space through consolidation. It's common to dedicate each server to a single application. Today, most businesses dedicate each server with a specific task or application because many of these tasks don't play well with others. The issue is most servers use only a very small fraction of their overall processing capabilities, and it doesn't take advantage of the server's total processing power. If several applications only use a small amount of this processing power, virtualizing and consolidating several machines into one server running multiple virtual environments will ultimately save the need for additional physical space, as well as other positive outcomes. Another problem is that as a computer network gets larger and more complex, with servers taking up valuable space, a data center might become overcrowded, which also means consuming a lot more power and heat. With virtualizing your infrastructure using specially designed software, you can convert one physical server into multiple virtual machines. Each virtual server acts like a unique physical device capable of running its own operating system. Did you know, based on Forrester data, that approximately 16 virtual machines can run on one single server? The value of virtualizing your infrastructure means reducing the amount of servers and energy costs of powering and cooling. It also simplifies resources and management for centralization, making it easier regarding security and required updates. Reduction of physical servers reduces the energy required, which means you can scale up or scale down depending if you need more capacity or less. It also saves time, ability to snapshot or mirror image for rapid backup and restore from many storage devices on a single virtual device. In addition, it's faster to deploy a virtual machine versus a new physical server. The ability to clone and deploy a new virtual environment in a few seconds and constantly change and adapt to fluctuating business needs. You can focus on other matters like continuation of innovation in your company, as virtualizing saves you money and less time on maintenance. Server virtualization provides a way for companies to practice redundancy without purchasing additional hardware. Redundancy refers to running the same application on multiple servers. It's a safety measure. If a server fails for any reason, another server running the same application can take its place. This minimizes any interruption in service. It wouldn't make sense to build two virtual servers performing the same application on the same physical server. If the physical server were to crash, both virtual servers would also fail. In most cases, network administrators will create redundant virtual servers on different physical machines. So how do we work with Microsoft? Well, with HPE and Microsoft Hyper-V, together we've created a solution to help you virtualize. Our HP solution with Microsoft Windows Server 2012 Hyper-V is an end-to-end solution which offers flexibility, so you can customize the solution to your specific need, allowing you to add extra storage, network, and service options. Hyper-V provides you infrastructure so you can virtualize your applications and workloads to support many of your business goals aimed at improving efficiency and reducing costs. With HPE, we can support you with robust and quality hardware to support your applications. And with the innovation in terms of cost, time, and value, we have dedicated our ProLine Gen 9 servers. So what's in it for the partner? The solution that we offer is a great conversation starter with your customers to discuss the value of reducing costs and complexity in their IT environments.
Some more benefits can be explained in following video.
Over the years, IT complexity has grown while efficiency has plummeted. Virtualization reverses this trend, simplifying IT infrastructure so you can do more with less. Virtualization lets you run your applications on fewer physical servers. Through virtualization, each app and operating system live in a separate software container called a virtual machine, or VM. VMs are completely isolated, but computing resources, CPUs, storage, and networking are pooled together and delivered dynamically to each VM by software called a hypervisor. Every application gets what it needs for peak performance. With all your servers running at full capacity, you don't need nearly as many. Hardware count and overhead drop dramatically, while application performance improves by leaps and bounds. Bottom line, greater value at lower cost, with less complexity and faster maintenance. Now you can spend more time on innovations to meet real business needs. But all virtualization is not created equal. For the smallest companies as well as the largest global enterprises, VMware is far and away the most trusted and widely deployed platform. No business can afford application downtime, and VMware virtualization makes sure it won't happen to you. High availability and fault tolerance are built right into the platform. If a server ever fails, your apps stay up and running, with no downtime, no data loss, and no need for human intervention. VMware virtualization brings you the biggest savings by letting you run more apps on many fewer servers, at the industry's lowest net virtualization cost. Even better, the savings and efficiency multiply with every application you virtualize. Of course, protecting IT against intrusion is critical. That's why VMware shields virtualized apps and data with unified, easy-to-use security across all levels. In fact, VMware protection makes your virtual assets even more secure than the most fortified physical environments. Virtualization is a must for today's IT environment. At the same time, advancing and protecting your business means choosing your virtualization solution wisely.